Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com, where I talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. Welcome to today's cryptocurrency portfolio update. I'll update one of my cryptocurrency portfolios. So what I'm going to do is share my screen. Now, this is only for information education purposes, not financial advice. So do your own research, your own financial due diligence, and also understand that all investment can be risky, so do not invest more money into cryptocurrency than you can afford to lose. So with this, I'm going to share my screen and just do the quick update. Share. And this spreadsheet I've been updating. I didn't update it yesterday, but I'll update it today. So here we are, taking the figures from this page here. We've got Bitcoin, altcoins, and some the totals. So the total altcoin has gone down to 73,481, 73,481 and something, some change, and 6 of 6, and the total portfolio is 104,849.95. 104,849 and 849.05, I think. 95. So let's bring this down. Let's fall down. That's 12. Cool. So the stay red. Basically 4 red days in a row, but yeah, we've got a red period here. Altcoins are down 12,553. Bitcoin is down 1,501. And the total portfolio is down 14,055. So that's all part of the journey. Once it reaches rock bottom, it's got to turn and then recover. It's just what happens. Talking about recovery quickly. We're really waiting for Bitcoin. This is the 200-week moving average, 100-week moving average, and the 50-week moving average. These are weekly moving averages on a weekly chart. Waiting for Bitcoin to hit this red line. Now, this red line is all these lines. Well, this red line is going to keep rising. So it's going to keep going up all the time. All right. So, it's going to be like rising as time goes on. All right. So by the time Bitcoin comes, it will be hitting it maybe somewhere around here. Maybe late June, early July. You could be looking at maybe a bottom of 24,000, 23,000. So 23, 24,000. And that would mark the bottom of the market. Would be the absolute best time to buy Bitcoin and a lot of other cryptocurrencies as well. If you really, the way you become wealthy in life, really, in terms of business, is to buy low, sell high in anything. Real estate, cryptocurrency, stock, shares, commodities, products. Buy low and you sell high. And so savvy investors are looking for the best time to load up and buy at the lowest possible price at this particular time. Obviously, the last year and the years before have gone, but what can we do now in this period of time? And what can we actually do? What we can do is buy at the lowest possible price. So when Bitcoin comes down and hits this level, it will be the lowest price. It's only done it a few times in history. This is very valuable information. If you use it wisely, you could, really benefit from it. But how you benefit is totally up to you. But so, that's what we're waiting for Bitcoin to do, hit the lowest point around the 23,000, 24,000 mark. And then, any time around that, buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other altcoins, and then as they move up over the rest of the year, that's where you see the gains. But people do things, things that are counterintuitive. People don't do those things. For example, if a particular altcoin is down 30%, oh sorry, if it's up 30%, they say this particular coin is up 30%, should I buy it? I says, no, you don't buy when it's up 30%, you buy when it's down 30%. When it's down 30%, that's when you buy it. And you've got to have that mentality. So all this is, anytime from here, even buying here is great. It's great buying it now here, but obviously when it reaches this kind of level, and it should reach this level, whenever the price action has crashed down from the peak through the 50-week moving average and through the 100-week moving average, sometimes it's crashed down and bounced off the 50-week moving average. But when it's crashed through it and then crashed through the 100-week, it is going to the 200-week moving average more times than not. And it has only done this a few times in history. And when it does it, then, I've got to get rid of that. When it does that, like here, that is the best buying time. And what we usually see as a cross, this is very valuable information. What we usually see is a cross of the 50-week over the 100-week. That kind of confirms. Obviously, this was the lowest people. This is like a confirmation. In trading, you wait for confirmation. Same thing back in 2015. You wait for the confirmation. Best buying confirmation, best buying period, time to buy. And the rest is history. So look out for that. We'll keep you posted on this channel. Make sure you hit the like button and share button and subscribe and so on, and notifications so you can be notified. And we'll watch this as it comes down and see where it hits. We'll see where it hits. Obviously, like I said, this is going to keep rising. So, wherever this rises, it's not going to come down to hit this. People think it's going to come down and hit 20,000. No, I don't think so. Or 21,000. This will be up by the time this comes down. It's going to float around here, up and down, and then eventually it will come down and hit this and then start going up. And, from here upwards, we're talking about probably around maybe 250% from this kind of lower period. So, I don't know, we could be looking at 250, about $90,000, 89,000 something. At least we could go higher, but at least that, and that would be towards the end of the year, early January. So move this sideways. So we're looking at from here onwards. I don't know what's happening with the noise outside there. January, let's say something like that. 2.5, yeah. Something like this. 89,000, 90,000 would be a good recovery. So those that take advantage of this kind of market swing, as it comes down here and goes up, to this kind of level over the next 7 months or so from now, we will do very well. So remember, you saw it first here, and it could go higher, it could, or just go to that level. We shall see. We shall watch and see. Anyway, don't forget to visit our website, IamWealthyandRich.com. Download the Millionaire Mindset, and I will speak to you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye.